Eliminex here, Tom's River. We got the squirrels are in the drays up on top. You see all the drays. You get little sleeping bags, and I guess they know it's going to get into the teens. It's going to get into the under 20 degrees tonight, maybe tomorrow night. So they've already breached this property. Let me make sure this is the right property. You see the ridge vents on top, the gable vent on the side, and you can see there's likely going to be gaps on the drip edge. There's no metal there, so there's probably gaps. Make sure this is 1984. It was 1982. So, see the broken gable vent there. Let's see if this is the other property. I have to double check. Okay, yeah, you can see the hole. You can see the hole up here. See that? Okay, good. You see all the buildup on top of the gutters. Gosh, everything's in the way. I can't go. I have to go on the other side. Take a look. This gate doesn't open. Oh yeah, he told me I had to lift the... Oh, so I know this is the right gate then. Ooh, that's a fancy truck. Woo-wee. That's fancy. I can't have something that clean. No one's going to trust me if I have a clean truck. Yeah, somebody must have went up there and put some glass there. It's weird. It's a hole, but looks like something's behind it. But this is the house. It might be coming from the neighbor's side. I gotta take a look. But likely they're getting in from the front. I have to go around. Likely they're going up here. Yeah, it's probably deteriorated right behind the gutter line. So I'm gonna put my traps out. We're gonna be trapping a lot of squirrels here. I bet you there's probably at least 6. I think all that build up there. It's probably deteriorated and they're getting in. Take care of it. And the squirrels are up there.